Welcome back, everybody. So again, we're just going to jump right into the homework. I'm going to go over the homework with you guys, answer as many questions as possible, and then I'm going to give you this review assignment. Remember that the quiz is going to be on Thursday of this week. I'm going to give this review assignment and let you guys work a majority of this half period, this shortened period on this, but hopefully we can get to that pretty quickly. The time we got is until 10:35, so I've got a good 25 minutes with you guys. And then I do want to walk you through getting on Elastic because I'm going to be giving you an assignment after the quiz to review for the OST. I'm going to be having you do some practice tests through that. So let's get started here going over the homework, shall we? All right, number 8 here. I'm just going to show these problems because you might not have gotten this assignment. So I'm just going to show 8 and 9 here. Bismuth 214 has a half-life of approximately 20 minutes. Find the amount the remaining from a 30-gram sample after 1 hour. So remember that the formula is A is equal to P times 0.5 to the T power. Now, somebody tell me this. Now I can call on some people for this information. What is my P value for number 8?
Would it be the 30-gram sample?
It's the 30-gram sample. Good. So that's A is equal to 30 times 0.5. Now, this is the more difficult question. Let me go with Tyler here. What is my T value? What is my T in this case? Now, remember, for half-life, my T is how many cycles of half-life does it go through in that time period? No, I'm on number 8.
Oh,
yeah, I know. We're on number 8. It's 20 minutes for the half-life, and I'm going through 1 hour. So how many cycles does it go through? How many times do you go through 20 minutes in 1 hour? 3. T is 3 in this case. 30 times 0.5 to the third power. 30 times 0.5 to the third power. And that will get me 3.75. Does that make sense, Kyler? Do your homework, Kyler. Number 9, Travis. What's my P for number 9? 44. It's a 44-gram sample. Good. So it's A is equal to P times 0.5 to the T. So P is 44. And then I've got 0.5 to the... Now, it's the half-life is 52 days, and I've got 156 days. So, Berkeley, what's my T in this one?
3.
Again, it's 3. Yeah, it's 156 days. Remember, T can be calculated by the total divided by the half-life. So the total is 156. The half-life is 52. So that's 156 divided by 52 is 3. So it's 44 times 0.5 to the third power. It gives me 5.5 grams. Questions about that? Okay. Let's take a look at the next set. Now, everybody got these, so I should be able to call on people for these. Rosalie, what did you get for number 10 here? You didn't do it. Well, you should start doing your homework, Rosalie. Annual sales for a company's rate are 149,000 times. Now, it's increasing at a rate of 6% per year. Is that exponential growth or exponential decay? Growth, because it's increasing. Now, what's my R value that I'm going to be using here for exponential growth? No, I'm on number 10. What's my rate? Percent, right? So what do I write for my R value? No. It's 1 plus 0.06. I'm getting at 0.06. If you don't do 0.06, it's going to throw your numbers way off. Now, my 7 is T. That's my 7. So I'm going to write it as 149,000 times 1.06 raised to the 7th power. So do that in your calculator, please, Rosalie. 149 times 1.06 to the 7th power. What'd you get? 224,000. Okay, 40.91. There's my amount of money. Come on, Rosie, you gotta do your homework. Nate, what'd you get for number 11?
I got.
Oh, don't tell me, Nate, you didn't do your homework.
I got 215.
You're close. You forgot a zero. 2,150. The population is 2,150. The original amount is 1,600. You probably did 160 times 1.03 to the 10th power. Number 12, a new savings account starts at $700 and increases 1.2% rate. Oh, wait. Oh, shoot. I meant to cross off 12 and 13. Oh, I'm sorry about that. I meant to cross off 12 and 13 as well. Because that's compound interest. I didn't realize that until right now. So sorry about that. Yeah, don't worry. Don't even worry about 12 and 13. Shoot, did I have to? I think all of 29 to 33 is good. Yeah, 29 to 33 is all good. Number 29, Hayden.
Which one?
Number 29. Number 29.
I got 59,757,458.
50 what?
Is it million?
I got 58 million.
Oh, okay.
What did you do? What was your equation? Do you know? Did you write it down?
Yeah, I wrote it down.
58 million times what?
Times 1 plus 0.01.
That's why. 1.001 to the third. Because 0.1 as a decimal should be 0.001 to the 0.01. You moved it one spot and not two. And my correct answer here should have been, and now it made just a little bit of a difference, 58,174,174. 58,174,174. Number 30, an antique car is worth $32,000 and it grows 7% for 5 years. Will? $44,881.66. 44,881.66. Yeah, you get 32,000 times 1.07 to the fifth power. Number 31, Mackenzie, what did you get for the investment of $8,200 losing value at 2% rate?
7,118 plus.
Good. 7,118. You say 0.62?
Yeah.
Good. That's 8,200. Now, this one is a 1 minus 2%, so it's 0.98 raised to the 7. So if you got like 0.8 or negative something, don't do that. It's got to be 0.002 or 0.02, excuse me, 1 minus 0.02. Number 32, a new car is worth $25,000 and is decreasing by 15% per year. Elena, what did you get for 32? I think you did your rate incorrectly because it should have gone down more than that. It should have been 25,000. Did you write down your equation? What did you say for your number inside the parentheses? You did 0.0015. It should have just been 0.15. Yeah? You should have been 1 minus 0.15 because it's 15%. So you just move the decimal place 2 times to get a 0.15. Does that make sense? So the correct answer should have been 25,000 times 0.85 raised to the 6th power. Okay. So the correct answer should have been $9,428.74. And number 33, student enrollment in a local high school is 970 students, and it's increasing at 1.2% per year. Ben, what did you get for our enrollment? Uh-oh. Well, how do I set up my equation then? What's my initial amount?
970.
970. Now, is this exponential growth or decay? Growth, because it's increasing. So is this going to be a 1 plus or 1 minus? 1 plus. So it's 1 plus, and now 1.2% as a decimal should look like what? 0.012. 0.012. And now I'm going to raise that to the 5th power. So 970 times 1.012 raised to the 5th power. The enrollment should be to the nearest student, I guess, 10,030 or 1,030. The book rounds to the nearest student, the nearest whole number, so I'll do the same. Okay. I like to think that if we're predicting numbers in the future, we can do decimal values, but whatever. All right, questions about that? All right. I'd like everybody to get out their computers and go to Edge Elastic. If you've not gone to Edge Elastic before, you can just Google Edge Elastic and get it up on my end. Add multiple students. Oh, wait, how do I get the code? Where's the code? Actions. Oh, duh. Class code. Log in and try to, if there's a place to put in a class code, join a class. I don't know what it looks like from the student end. Yeah, join a class up in the top right. And then the class code is right there, V23GVV8D. Yeah, it's V23. Yep. GVV8D. Yeah, log in. All caps. All caps, yep. Okay, how do I do a new class? I'll click the E on the top left. There we go. And go My Classes. There we go. Join class. So again, if you need to go, if you're already Mr. Lumberg's class, click on the top left E, go to My Classes, and then you can get to join class. Okay. Now, does anybody, did that not work then for anybody? Anybody still working on that? It's right here. V23 GVV8D. See, now watch when I do this. You guys will all show up. Da-da-da-da. All right, now I want to go to my class. I want to, oh, here we go. Okay, I'm going to stop the video here because I don't need to do this on a video. But if you're watching along from home, please do the same thing. Please jump into the Edge Elastic course because I'm going to assign one of the practice tests to you after the test. So long, everybody watching at home. And now.